Okay, I want to do a weekly overview video. This is our first one, so I kind of want to show you how to get to it. So go to courses, and whatever period you're in, make sure you click on it. So I'll do period 1 for Algebra 1B. Then I want to click on the Algebra 1B folder. Once I get there, I want to click on the week that we're in, the week that corresponds to us. So our first week of school is right here. Next week, we will have another tab, but it will be moved right up under our welcome letter. And every week that we do will be the week right up under the welcome letter. So let me click into this week's folder and let's go over the weekly overview. So the material you'll need is a computer with internet access, interactive notebook, a highlighter, or a camera phone. The camera phone is important, or anything that can upload a picture is important. Your vocab for the week is everything that's in red. Your objective is to understand how to apply the order of operation to solve equations and functions. Here are all your standards that goes with that. Okay, so your 3 tasks for the week is, the first one is to watch the order of operation videos and take notes in your interactive notebook, write a summary, take a picture, and upload it to Schoology. All right, and here's the video. You also can find the video and the order of operation notes along with the template. Your second task is to find each term and write and draw an example. So here's all the terms right here. That's why I put both of them in red. And your third task would be to complete the order of operation assignment on Alex. Okay. Here's your order of operation notes. If I wanted to go in there, I click there. Here's our template. If I wanted to get a head start on what the template looked like, I can go ahead and click on that and it'll give us, let me go ahead and do it for you. It gives an opportunity to get ahead. So if I wanted to go ahead and get the notes down or the template notes, and then you can wait till you watch the video where you can fill all this stuff in. All right, so going back, here's all the ESC resources. If you have a 504 plan, here's your resources. And for the ELL, the English learning language, here's your resources also. If you have any questions, make sure you contact me. My contact hours are, well, I'm in school every day, so it's easy to find me. And my contact hours are also on the welcome folder. Talk to you soon.